Hi everyone, so today I've come with a craft with me. It's a little bit different for me. I'm making some like mixed media tags to go into my personal little junk journal. So I'm starting off here just with a bit of cardstock. It's nothing exciting, it's just plain white, I think it's like 210 GSM cardstock, and I'm going to coffee dye that. You can tea dye it, coffee dye it, or if you've got something of a darker colour you could use that as well. So anyway, I'm really just winging this. I don't really know what I'm doing, I just kind of go with the flow, and I think that's really what it's all about, isn't it, when you're trying to be that way creative in that manner. I'm going to be using like some book pages, some digital, some paints, some gesso and stencils. I'm also going to be using some washi tape, which is from a company that I'm going to link below. For the life of me, the name just went right out of my head. Is it IB? IB? It is. It's IEEBEE. Yeah, that's it is. Just having a moment here, having a moment. Anyway, I'll link them below because I've got a coupon code for you if you want to go over, check out their washi tape and the other craft supplies. So go check that out as well. So I'm just going to shut up now and you can just watch the process, because you know I'm just playing along here, having fun, making mess, making mistakes, clearing it up, and I got a tag out of it at the end. If you do stay to the end and you like this, I would appreciate a thumbs up, a comment, subscribe to my channel. I make a lot of junk journals. This is just another little sideliney thing that I'm doing just for me, just crafting just for me. So enjoy the process, and like I said, if you have any questions, just ask in the comment section below, and I will see you all soon.
you.